Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. Last weekend I ran into an old friend of mine at a conference and I asked if he fancied grabbing a quick pint at the end of the day, at which point he told me that he'd stopped drinking. I was slightly taken aback by this, and so I asked what had brought that decision on. He explained that he'd never really been much of a drinker anyway, and that usually he'd just have the odd glass of wine with dinner, and that was about it, so it was quite easy for him to stop. If you say the odd glass of wine, you basically mean the occasional glass of wine. You're emphasising that your glasses of wine aren't regular or frequent. We often use the odd before a noun in this kind of way, particularly when we're making contrasts. So you might say, for example, yeah, my kids do the odd bit of housework, but nowhere near as much as I'd like them to. Or you might say, yeah, it's quite a rough area. There's a little bit of petty crime, there's some pickpocketing, there's maybe the odd mugging, and maybe a little bit of drug dealing, but shootings and stabbings are few and far between. Maybe, as we're now in the run-up to the least exciting World Cup ever, you might say something like, I'm not really a very big sports fan, but I will watch the odd game of football when the World Cup or the Champions League or something is on. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use the odd